Hi, welcome to Active Art, and this is the grand finale of the black and white series, unless I think of another one to do. So today I have planned a swipe. I'm going to use primarily the thicker paints for the stripes in the middle. Then I'm going to swipe it with a couple of the thinner paints. I might actually do two swipes. We'll see how it looks, how it goes. And then at the end, I'm going to look and see what the bottom drip area looks like, and I might, if it looks like it might give me a good press, then I'll do a little bit of a press with it. We shall see. It's the thing with acrylic pouring, well, just about any art, I guess. You plan out one thing and you adjust as you go. I'm not sure whether I'm using a brush or a cup, if I've ever had something go 100% as planned. Let me know in the comments if you ever had a project that went 100% as planned, or if you always end up adjusting. Well, and sometimes I guess you just get a different idea as you go. You're like, oh, well, this could work better even, and you get a better idea even as you inspire yourself to different art. Okay, I'll put a little bit of black down here. So that'll probably end up going off the edge. Anyway. Okay, so now we got some prison stripes going. Let's do, this is the thinner paint. Thinner white. And I think I'm going to put a little bit over this black line that's already there. I'm going to put a little bit thinner black. And as I swipe along, it'll get picked up. That's the idea. Alright, I use a paper towel usually. Sometimes I use a spatula. Today I'm going to use a paper towel. And I usually spray the edge of it. Just a little bit of water. Sometimes it helps it keep better contact. Let's see what we got here. Just real light. I'm not pressing down at all. Fire it up a little bit. This side.
We left this town with the speakers loud and the radio playing old Sublime. We stole our line, every verse we know. And we hadn't had a clue if we'd make it by noon or even where we could go.
Go ahead and get rid of that edge. Whatever it's doing. I liked it better than the rest of it, but let's see. Let me see if I can just make some more gray. Ooh. I'm going to put some of the thinner ones. Oh, is that the thinner? This is a thinner one.
agree that we're just too broke.
I'll go back over it. Why not?
Fill it back up, so we left your truck on the road with road. Then we found a motel with a cigarette smell, so we knew we're close. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. Home is where I can find some peace of mind to make my way. I don't know where I will
I'll use a spatula this time.
end someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road. But don't get left behind on the road. Don't get left behind on the road. Don't get left behind on the road. We play Tupac Sharak and we turn our music up when he raps about hope. We hold our thumbs high and hope someone is kind enough to give us all a ride. And we wouldn't have a clue if we'd make it back to or even where we'd go. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. A Ford stopped on the street, said where you trying to be. We said we don't really care, we'll know it when we're there. We took on down the road, he flipped on his radio. Santeria started slow, so we knew that we were close. Home is where I can find some peace of mind to make my
That's not too bad. I kind of like some of the effects in here. You got a couple cells there. I may try to bring some more out.
it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around.
Gonna get like a stripe of cells. Not quite coming out in there. I want to see how this one dries. This one's kind of interesting. But, oh, let me know what you think. Thanks for dropping by. All the black and white ones. I had 2 float cups on the first video, and then I did Alright, check out the playlist on black and white if you're interested in the others in the series. I did float cup and flip cup, dirty cup, swipes. Did a little bit of, try to mix it up, do a little bit of different techniques using thin and thick white and black paint. If you'd like to see something else, or you have any questions, suggestions, just let me know down in the comments. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Great day.